Let me do it. Oh shit.
I fucking turned my head. Fuck my face. This shit's gonna shoot. This shit's backwards. Oh fuck! You better. He's leaving. Where'd you go? It was the most bitch shit you could pull in your life. You just hopped in your car and left everyone for dead. If I've ever seen some non-solid shit, it was that right there. That was a prime example of non-solid. Honest to God, everybody makes mistakes. Alright, I didn't think it was gonna be loud. It just so happened to be loud.
I have been working like full time.
Anthony, I work full
For a
time.
while now.
I have too for a
Since when
good
have
year
you
and
worked?
6
Never worked
months.
full time.
When
in
did you
your
start
life.
working full time?
I work 40 hours a week.
You do
Nigga, no,
not.
you do not.
Yes, I do.
Then why'd you get a $480 check?
Yeah, boy, how much you make an hour?
I make 11.
I like
You make
if you make
11?
11,
Well,
and that's
it
40
went
hours
up,
a
so
week.
Now it's 12, but
Oh, yeah,
it was 11.
I was gonna say, I was like, that's not right.
I don't know why you're trying to get on me. I have the most cash in my pocket in this car.
You do.
Okay, I got the most cocky in my pants.
I woke up right now, like 15 minutes ago. It's like 2:30 a.m. And I figured, oh, look at that hobo in the background. Alright, so I'm on my way to Walmart right now to get some saran wrap. That hobo fucked up my intro because he pulled up on me and asked me for change. Something like that, I don't know. But I can't even find office supplies. That's on me. Just in case. Alright, so I decided that we needed some help. The myth, Drew Dewey himself.
Put your tip away, let's go.
I think our work here is done.
Let's go. I want to see if you still pissed on my fucking car, to be honest with you.
Yo, you straight let you know.
Remember you gave me permission?
I didn't expect that. You got me good. I'm not about to lie.
How'd you even pissing on my fucking car, bro? The worst part, I used your own phone to record it. I'm sorry.
That was not solid.
That's all for the video. Follow us on Instagram, subscribe to Posse Productions. Hey T, man, anything you want to add?
Really?
I don't fuck with the ones who really did me wrong. Whipping in a coupe like I got my money long. Shooting for the stars like I got it going on. All I wanna do is take care of my motherfucking.
Yo, who are you texting?
Fuck you, dude.